Okay, let's look at one more scenario to introduce a concept today. 昨日、何をしましたか？パーティーに行きました。パーティーで何か飲みましたか？はい、ビールを飲みました。何か飲みましたか？ビールを飲みました。何か食べましたか？いいえ、何も食べませんでした。そう、何か食べましたか？何も食べませんでした。This 何か and 何も are concepts we will talk about in this chapter. So, we have already learned how to ask like a general what question. Like, 何をしましたか? What did you do? パーティーに行きました. I went to a party. What we are going to talk about in this chapter is not a who, what, where, when, why question, like 何を, but a yes or no question. So 何かin Japanese means something. So 何か飲みましたか? I'm not asking what did you drink. I'm asking did you drink anything? Did you drink anything? So this is a yes or no question. When we answer, we want to start with yes or no. The same with the next question. This is a yes or no question. 何か食べましたか? Did you eat anything? So this 何か食べましたか? 何か飲みましたか? So did you drink anything? Did you eat anything? These are questions we want to answer with はい or いいえ. They are yes or no questions. If we answer with いいえ, we can use 何も plus a negative ending to mean I didn't eat anything. So 何も食べませんでした. Be careful to make sure that you actually do put a negative ending when you use this. So 何も with a positive ending doesn't make sense. We have to make sure that it has a negative ending, otherwise it's not actually negative and it doesn't really make sense. Let's look at another example. デパートに行きましたが、何も買いませんでした。So I went to the department store, but 何も買いませんでした. I didn't buy anything. How about this? カラオケに行きましたが、何も歌いませんでした。So I went to karaoke, I went to karaoke, but I didn't sing anything. 何も歌いませんでした. So if we want to say not anything, we have to make sure to put the 何も together with a negative ending. So let's do a little practice with 何か and 何も.